What is up, everybody? Or one person? Gotta edit this. We are back for Power Hour. Looks like everything. I started to push here a little bit, but it looks like everything sold off for the most part. AMC pushing hard. SPY essentially dying. Yeah, all of today's move was just horrible. Whew. Feels good to be back. Took a quick break. Had some Popeyes. You did not actually break out to these highs, so I'm actually pretty bearish. I'm actually pretty bearish on the dollar right now. Considering you didn't break these highs here, up here, coming down, probably gonna break to the low side. So, pretty bearish on SPY or on the DXY. SPY just looks disgusting. So, I mean, really, SPY looks gross. To everybody that's joining, thank you very much. You did. Looks like AMC is breaking out right here out of this small trend, 15-minute trend. Nothing too crazy going on. How do you think we closed? Low, dude. I think we closed bad. This whole area is horrible. Like the fact that we stayed this horrible is like really bad. I think we're gonna close red. I'm pretty sure. Not think. I'm pretty sure we're gonna close red. I really doubt that we pump from here. Look at that, right? Look at this. You opened up. Actually, let me look at SPY directly because I know the SPX closes differently. Look at that. That's a horrible close, man. That's disgusting. Look at that. You closed yesterday at 396. You closed 2 points down. You're on this nice little downtrend here, right? Like pretty sweet downtrend here. Where's the daily? Nice little downtrend here, right? We can probably run this down. Oops. That. Nice little downtrend. Go back to the 4 hour. It's probably a little bit higher like this. Yeah, I really doubt we do anything but just continue to go down. I mean, this has to be the absolute lowest. But you already broke. I mean, you are closing on the daily, but keep in mind, like you close on these perfect entries on the daily. Like last time you closed this perfect entry, you popped from 398 to 410, right? So you popped $12. So again, so you still have a chance of doing something crazy. Do I think you're gonna pop $12 tomorrow? I really don't think so. Can you? Sure. Will you? I don't think so. I don't think you're gonna go up to $406 tomorrow. I really don't think you'll pop all the way up to like right here. I really doubt it. I mean, you're gonna close a bull day on SPY and on the actual SPY, which is actually pretty okay. But considering where we are now, I mean, you know, this looks like you're probably going back by March 15th. By March 15th, it looks like you're gonna be closing at like 398. So, or I can almost guarantee you, I'm pretty sure this is off the table here. So I'm pretty sure that by March 15th, you're either at 371 or you close at 398. Either way, in 2 weeks from now, I'm expecting us max to be at 398. Minimum is down here. So this is the full range here. This is my prophecy chart. It's never been wrong. So we'll see where it ends. But so far, things are looking pretty grim, guys. Super, super ugly momentum today overall. You're starting to push a little up there, but I mean, I wouldn't, where's the last trigger here? from the low, stochastic, the low here. You're gonna close into it. I mean, I don't know. I don't have too much faith in the SPX right now. If we do close to the upside, great, but I don't know, bro. It's crazy. Like this whole move, this whole thing right now is just scary. Like this whole movement has just been disgusting. So we'll see. All I know is that I'm shorting AMC down to possibly sometime here the next week. I think that by next week you'll be at like 550, 520 AMC. You might push up the rest of the day, but I mean, I don't think so, bro. I think you're gonna come here and then come right back down. We'll see. I don't like any of the movement here for any ticker at all. Even I'm pretty sure even Tesla. Yeah, Tesla sold off. I'm pretty sure the actually actually that's not horrible. I mean, I did get stopped out here because I adjusted I didn't give it enough wiggle room, but you are pushing here. You're still technically on trend to that 205, so you might actually finish 205 Tesla by the end of the day. That's kind of weird. I mean, it does look like you're headed there. Let me see. Grab here, run it to there, run there. Yeah, I definitely say Tesla's going to 205 sometime this week. But Spy just looks dead, bro. Nobody's longing this right now. Nobody's longing Spy at all. If I had my if I gave it more wiggle room, this would have been a fantastic long. You would have been right at a good spot. AMC looks like it's gonna come right back down here. Let me check. Yeah, but to answer your question, everything looks pretty grim. I would not be surprised if you sell off today to tomorrow, the rest of this week. Not surprised at all, honestly. Like everything looks ugly, like super super ugly. Just wanted to come here, get the live. So we're starting to push up here. We're just chilling for now, guys. Just hanging out. Try to see what happens. Hopefully, we can keep pumping from here. Dollar looks like it's going to keep dropping. So we shall see. We shall see. If we do like a crazy push to the upside, that'd be fantastic. But I'm expecting it to sell off at any point here. I'd be extremely surprised if it does anything but like push up. So we'll see. AMC continues to drop. I'm looking for, I'm looking for SPY to just continue this push up. So we'll see what happens. But as long as the DXY keeps dropping, it breaks this. I'm hoping that, it just continues its sell off. We'll go from here. Have 1 more hour left. 2 minutes for this 15 minute to close, and then we have 45 minutes into the close while the dollar is selling off. Keep in mind, everything is still, you still have a bull entry on the day, right? Bull trigger on the day, bear trigger on DXY, so we can definitely see a bunch of things. AMC, right, has a daily bear trigger here. So a lot of things can happen. I kind of want to add more shorts to AMC. I think AMC is going to drop even lower, to be honest. I think AMC is going to really start dropping hard next week. It's going to start dropping really hard. Hi, Mama. That's my daughter. See you, Mama. Lana. Uh huh. Hey. Well, everybody's telling me that Bitcoin's dropping super hard. Is it? It should be. I think Bitcoin's going down to like 16, 17K. So, I mean, oh, that's a big drop right there. Look at that. 23 to 23. It's not that big of a drop, but still think Bitcoin's going to drop super hard. I would actually look into shorting possibly like Mara or Hut. See, there you go. 647. Yeah. I look into shorting everything. Anything related to crypto, I look into shorting pretty hard. It's a nice drop there. Like I've told you guys before, if anybody wants to short anything, then it's like, like starting now, you should be shorting Mara down to like back to like 324, honestly. Hut should be shorting Hut back to this gap here at 95 cents. And you should be shorting, BITF down to this gap at 55 cents. So I'm telling you, it's going to drop really hard. So if you're shorting these for the next month or two, I think you're pretty golden. Look at that. See? You're already starting to see that drop right there. Yeah, I'm telling you, anything, any pop on any pop on SPY or anything, it's gonna sell off. Pretty sure. I mean, you close the entry on the 15 minute, but I don't have any confidence in SPY right now. I think everything's gonna sell off. I think everything's gonna sell off really hard. Yeah, because everybody's selling, especially with news after the CPI for Germany and stuff. Everything's gonna sell off. AMC, you're probably going down to $6, like I said, and then the dollar is already pumping again. So yeah, I don't have any confidence in the SPX anymore. Look at that. You have a nice, pretty structured PD there on the DXY. Look at that. So this might actually pump past these highs. Hi, mama. Again, no confidence. If this actually pushes up, I'd be extremely surprised. But as of right now, not really. I don't really. I'm not. I think Spies started its descent. I think it's going to be insane. What do you think is going to happen with Tesla Investor Day after hours? Is that today? Is Investor Day on Tesla today? Investor Investor Day. There we go. What is it? Investor Day on Tesla. The first Tesla Investor Day. Oh, it is today. So it's at 3 p.m. CST. What is that in PST? 3 p.m. ST to PST. Oh, at 1. It's literally going to be right after the market closes. Where do you watch this? How do you watch this? Da-da-da-da. I hate these whole articles. Just tell me. Tesla is upon us, an occasion where I don't care. Oh, it's going to be 4 p.m. ETA for those on the ground of stand 3 p.m. This here must tweeted. Sure. Yesterday on company's Twitter page or YouTube. So it should be here. Oh, that's cool. I'll leave that running in the background. Notify me. Shout out to shout out to me. Look at that. Shout out to me. I'll leave this on, and then we'll see what happens from there. I have no idea. I don't really keep up too much with Tesla, so if they don't if Tesla doesn't do anything great, then they're gonna dump. But I wouldn't. I would expect Tesla to do really well because you know they why would they do an investor day? Why would they do an investor day if they're not expecting to do really well? Slight bounce there on the SPX. Tesla, AMC selling off. Tesla, Tesla's still pushing. It's probably gonna keep running towards the investor day. So I would not be surprised to see Tesla at 205 by the end of the day. So we'll see what happens. SPX popping. If Tesla actually manages to pop super hard, it's gonna take the market with it, I think. But again, really good, really good area here of where is it at? This whole range here is extremely solid for a sell-off. Right, this whole range here. So I think it's gonna come up here, maybe sell off again. If it breaks out again, anything around this area, if it breaks this trend, we get into real big squeezy mode, and that's what I want. The dollar selling off. Looks like this might actually do something. So I think any area here you might actually sell off, but if you manage to break this, if you manage to break this high at 398, whatever, and if Tesla Investor Day actually ends up being really good, you could possibly hit 404 by Friday. I can definitely see the squeeze up here by Friday if Tesla Investor Day ends up doing really well. So I would probably take the risk and I would load up on Tesla. So Flair, I think you're doing really great. I think any announcement from them, I think it's going to be positive just because, why would they do an investor day if it wasn't positive? Do you think Rivian will bounce or not? Can you check GBP JPY? Sure, bro. GBP JPY. Well, let's run this real quick. I would. This looks like a long. It looks like you're set up to long. Looks like you are. My God. Oh yeah, I long this all day. Target would be. Yeah, this is an easy long for me. Take the trade now. Take it there. End this up somewhere up here. this should probably be here. We'll do this. So free sauce for you guys here again. You guys want a long GBP JPY. So you're setting your stop right a little bit under. You see that where that wick is right here? A little bit under. I'll probably set it like right here. Just because it's under this wick, under this previous wick right here. Add your horizontal lines right there. Add it here. Run it there. Sure. Run it there. Run it there. Let's go to daily. Check for previous market structure. It looks like a lot of the market structure is right here in the middle, and also the top. So I'd probably take the, I'd probably be a little bit more on the riskier side. Run this all the way up to that initial target because there's a lot of market structure there. So whoops. Actually, yeah, I don't need any of that because I already know where it's gonna go. Take that off. Take that off. There's your setup right there. $10 gonna close a bull day? Wow, that's kind of scary. Oh, the 4 hour. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's your setup right there. This is what 5 to 1, 5.4 R&R. That's your position right here. You want to screenshot that. I take this all day long. If it hits, cool. You have a 5x, 500% gain. If it comes back down, you're really only risking about, I don't know, 750 pips. I think 750 pips. Yeah, it's not bad. It really just depends how you leverage, but yeah, GBP JPY. That's how I'd run it right now. It's really not a hard position to. I long that all day. I'd long it. Tesla. Tesla. Would I short? I wouldn't short Tesla, but let's look at this. Look at that. Nice sell off right there. Nice sell off on. There you go. There's a dollar. Here's a sell off on the SPX. See, this is exactly why I say I'm not confident about the SPY. Because any little push up, it's going to be sold off like this. Right? So it took you like 30 minutes to run this much up, and you sold off half of that, 15 points in what? Like 5 minutes? And you're still going to continue to sell off. So that's why I don't trust anything on the SPY. I'm not, like I told you guys, I'm not confident in the SPY at all. It's going to continue to sell off. Not confident at all. So I'm expecting a very heavy, um, very heavy red day. I don't think there's any good thing about the SPY right now. Daily, the daily is down like 2 points. Yeah, it's been gross, man. Just a huge sell off in the last. You sold off almost 7 points in 3 days. I mean, come on, that's a lot. Yeah, Tesla Investor Day has to be really good in order for anything to happen. But this is essentially what's happening right now. So we'll see. Again, not really looking for anything good. I'm 100% that you're probably going to sell off to the end of the day. The dollar is probably going to start pushing up from here. It's going to break this trend and it's going to pop off to the upside. So don't be surprised if we sell off. I would take the longs on Tesla because I don't think that they would have an investor day without being, like proud of what they have to say. But overall, market is just pretty gross. Look at that. Dollar looks like it's going to 105. Look at that sell off, right? Look at that. You fully sold off that 15-minute candle in about 5 minutes. Took you half an hour to get up here, sold everything off in about 5 minutes. And you're probably going to continue to sell off. I can almost guarantee you that. Almost guarantee you. I'm loading to some things, so yeah. Do I think Rivian will bounce? Let me see. Tesla Model 2 today? Maybe. Let me see. Or who's it? Rivian? I forgot their ticker is. Oh, there we go. Did you ask about it today? Uh, will bounce or nah? Do I think Rivian will bounce today? Oh God, no. Oh yeah, definitely not. Yeah, Rivian looks like it's gonna go even lower. 5 bucks says that Rivian, it's at 15 bucks. It's gonna break these lows. So when it comes to cases like this, where you're essentially gonna be in price discovery, you're looking at, yeah, Rivian looks like it's going down to $5. Maybe in the next 2 to 3 months. I'd probably short now. I mean, I'd probably short it now and just wait 2 to 3 months because Rivian looks extremely disgusting. Like I would not be surprised to see Rivian drop down like this in like 2 months or so. Looks really bad. Again, same thing with Tesla. Either Tesla pops up and you shoot back to 263, or it comes right back down and you go back to like 116. The dollar, let me see, dollar, you completely, dollar goes all the way back down to 102, or the dollar pops and continues going up to 108, which I think is going to be the most likely scenario, to be honest, because SPY and everything looks like it's just going to completely crash. Small recovery again. Don't really care about what it's doing because it doesn't really matter all that much. We're just really we're just chilling and waiting. DXY 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour, the SPY looks like it's gonna sell off again. The 4 hour on the dollar looks like it's gonna run up extremely hard. It's really very simple. Let me see, where's this at? Yeah, horizontal trend line. The dollar, you have a major resistance here. There you go. On SPY, major trend resistance. Can we get rid of this? I actually think this will probably be the more appropriate trend, like this, like that. This is gonna be that's a really big trend there. So let me see. I'm trying to see what the trend is. If I can, I mean, so technically you're still on trend here. Are you gonna bounce? Who knows? Yeah, I don't think you're gonna bounce. I think dollar's gonna keep running up. No real movement here, but we'll see. You got 30 minutes left. Will I still put on Rivian? No, I don't have. I don't have any shares on Rivian. Yeah, I'm hoping DXY drops. I'm looking for it to drop just because I want to. I'm short term bullish, right? But overall, everybody should be shorting right now. Take a look at the weekly for gold and silver. I hate silver. Where's XAU? Weekly. Wow, you've really just been trading sideways, huh? Here. I would probably. I'd probably short gold. I don't need too much stuff here. Yeah, I'd probably short gold. Gold, I'd probably short it. Where's silver at? What is silver again? Silver. Silver is A XAG. There we go. Yeah, I think it was XAG used. Yeah, same thing. I'd definitely short silver. I mean, you have divergence here. This looks like you have divergence. Look at that. You have like some pretty nice divergence. I'd probably run that. I would have definitely shorted all this right here. Like this whole area there, I would have shorted that on the weekly. It looks like it's gonna die. So yeah, my target for silver would probably be let me see. Target for silver right now is gonna be somewhere like right here. Super easy. I would easily take shorts right now on silver. Short everything on silver, which means that the dollar is gonna be going up super hard. So recent structure, yeah, it looks like recent structure is gonna be that middle point, that middle market structure. So get rid of that, get rid of this. Take your short. I mean, you can take it now. I don't really care, but I would take the short. Take it all the way down here, right? Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Yeah, I'd take this short all day long. Let me see here. Run this charts. I probably run this. Where's my stop? I run this. My stop like right here. So this whole place here, right, will probably be on the daily. Run this. What's the risk here? Your risk is it's a 6 to 1 R&R. So I just leverage appropriately. You're probably going to be holding this for a long time, but I do think silver is going down here to like 14. It's a big drop. It's a very big drop, but it's just what it looks like. Ah, look, you're actually pumping on the SPY. Super surprising. Very surprised it's pumping. Let's look at Tesla. 30 more minutes for investor day. Ah, there we go. Tesla pumped. Not expecting a lot out of any of these tickers at all. Not expecting anything at all whatsoever. But if you pop, Tesla has a good day. I do think that you'll do really well on on what is it called, on the market tomorrow. There we go. If DXY breaks this, you're going down. But again, so many things can happen, bro. So many things. Ah, Anthony, hi. What's up, bro? Please don't call me Anthony. Oh, I'm sorry. Will you buy calls and Rivian? No, I would not buy calls on Rivian. I don't think it's gonna go up at all. I'm sorry. Will you buy? I do think Tesla's gonna go up though. Tesla looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna watch it. See, you're already dumping here on Spy. And then for what is it called? For for DXY, you're already starting that push up. So I'd probably long the dollar right now. Sorry, I ate Popeyes, so I'm like kind of sleepy right now. Oh, Anthony in the chat, dude. I didn't even realize we have an Anthony in the chat. Oh, you mean in the Patreon chat? Oh, dude, I thought you meant like here. Weekly and 4 hour want to close bull on XOP. Let's check it out, bro. What is XOP? Oh, on gas. Weekly. I mean, this is you're on pretty good structure here, to be honest. Right? You're on pretty good structure. Yeah, I'd definitely take these longs. But you have to remember, it looks like you're setting up here. I'd probably long this towards. This is on the weekly. I'd probably long this to like here somewhere, like 154. But this, I mean, you had to do like 2 months out unless you want to swing trade this, which is fine, right? If you want to swing trade this, this is fantastic. But it's a really good swing trade. I'd long this definitely from here all the way up to 154 because it looks like it's going to close like that on Friday. La mama. The daily, yeah, daily looks bullish. There's no reason for anybody to not take this. XOP looks pretty good. Yeah, you're like right on that like trend here. I'm pretty sure it looks like it wants to break, right? So I mean, yeah, I take this. This looks really good. Look, I'll move this over a little bit, but yeah, that looks good. I'd take this. You bounced off trend. You're still consistently pushing up. You're still on a really good trigger here, so I'd say yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna break to the upside, bro. I'd definitely long this to like between 150 to 155. I'd probably say this hits in the next couple of weeks, maybe a month or so. I don't know when exactly, but I do think it's gonna go. Keep in mind though, like Spy can. I'm still pretty bearish on Spy, right? Overall, like I do think Spy is gonna tank really hard back down to 350, possibly down to like 315. But short term, I am pretty bullish on Spy. And again, that's just a gut feeling. My gut can definitely be wrong, but I feel like this whole sell off has been um, unjustified, if that makes any sense. But yeah, oil, bro, XOP, it looks like an amazing long. Great fucking long. Tony, check out VAI USD. Is that is that a crypto? VAI USD. Is it this one? VAI USDT? Yeah, I think it's gonna be this one. Let's run the weekly. Oh, that's a pretty nasty move. From what, three to, so it did a 5x at peak high. It did a, from what, from four to, wait, what the hell? Oh, three. Oh, what? Oh, crap. What was the gain on this? When did this run? From November? 40. Dude, this did a 50x? Wow. What the heck? When did it peak? In February? This month it peaked. It did a 50 plus X. Jesus Christ. I mean, if I had any idea of what was going to happen, then that's fantastic. But I had no idea that it was going to run that hard. Especially not with this chart. Jesus. Look at that, bro. What was the mid range here? What was it closed? Close was 0.008. Yeah, you would have taken this to. Wow, that is very impressive. Yeah, I mean, this looks gnarly, dude. I don't know how I would play this. I mean, I would definitely want to keep trading this. This looks like it's going back up to like 25. This definitely looks like it's going back up. I definitely long it right now. Keep your shorts right here at 0.11 at 11 cents. So keep your shorts or keep your stop loss at 11 cents. Long this to 25. That's a solid long. That's insane, dude. That is a crazy push. Oh, SPY's going. You got to break this high here. Right? That was a nasty sell off from 10:30 in the morning down to here. I think maybe you can hit 395, but I think that's your peak. I don't think you'll do too much afterwards. That means Tesla's probably moving up here. Barely. I'm hoping AMC. We have 15 minutes left. AMC just chilling sideways. 30 minute. I want the 30 minute. I'm telling you, AMC is gonna be at $6 by next week. I just want the dollar to just die. It's a big push up. It's a nice push up. It's a nice push. Oh, what's up, dude? Tony, I just want to say I appreciate all the work you put in. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate all you guys. You guys are all pretty amazing. I appreciate all of you. Oh, look, there's a nice pop right there. So that means the dollar is going to be dropping right now. That's a nice pop right there. I wonder if we'll move after hours. I did not expect that pop. I mean, I'm in longs right now, but I wonder if this cancels out. Where's the 8 hour? Because the 8 hour is very indicative of what we can do. Oh, no way. Bro, look, the 8 hour is gonna be closing here. What do we do? What do we do? What do we usually do on the perfect entries on the 8 hour? So perfect entry on the 8 hour, you ran from 393. So you ran up $5. And then the day after you popped to here. So $20 move here from lows of 378 to highs of $10. Again here, lows of 374, $368. Again, we're looking at only perfect entries, so I only care about perfect entries. Perfect entry right here, right? You move up 362 to 371, so almost like a $9 move. What is up with these 8 hours being ridiculous like that? Look at that. 348 to 366. So that's definitely more than $10. 8 hour, 390 to 398. Wow, what the hell? Oh, bro, this looks like a really solid long here. Like if this closes, we could probably see by the end of tomorrow, by the end of Friday, maybe like a 405. This tends to do really well on these 8 hour closes. I have no idea why, but the average move up is about $8 on these 8 hour closes. I wonder what's going on with the SPX 500. What is that showing for the 8 hour? 8 hour is bearish for this. Super weird, but you are bouncing nicely. Yeah, it's a nice bounce there. Really nice bounce there. That's weird. Anyways, SPY closing those 8 hours is average of it's a 10% push, which is kind of nuts. I've never seen that before. 8 hour.
¿Qué pasó, hijo? Acá trabajando, mami. No, son las salchichas. Ok, ah, ya. Ajá. No es eso, hijo. Que le prende, si se lo comió el que le hice con huevo. Estaba en la mesa. ¿No se lo comió? Ok, entonces de acuerdo con la palabra de que vamos a comprarlo. Ok. Ándale pues, ahí queda. Sí, ya voy. Bye.
That's weird. I don't remember the 8 hour being that crazy, but let me see. Yeah, that the whole range today from 393 to 396, like a $3 range. That's not a lot. 396, $3 move. That's not a lot at all. I mean, I would expect maybe like a $10 pop tomorrow if we close that 8 hour bull trigger, which is kind of insane, to be honest. That's weird. Super weird. We're still pushing on SPY. I don't think it's gonna do anything crazy, but we'll see. We can definitely keep pushing to the upside. Let's go back at Tesla. We're gonna be closing in 12 minutes, and then we can maybe run into Tesla still going, so that's pretty good. Everything's probably running because of Tesla Day. Should check everything else. Apple not doing much. Microsoft. If anybody was gonna long, I'd probably do it right here at. I'd probably do it now. I'd probably long this till tomorrow. Honestly, I'd probably long SPX till tomorrow. Microsoft chilling. Yeah, like if you're gonna long, I'd do it anywhere here because they're on trend. So I'd probably long all this to be honest. Oh, what? Year to date? Yeah, I don't care too much about that. Don't want that. What happened?
Déjenla, ahorita sus manos, déjenla. Déjenla,
Damn, you've been selling off for 2 weeks straight. Look at that. Huge 2 weeks straight sell off. Been selling off since for a full month. Full month sell off. Look at that. And then here, I think you can probably go. From here, you can probably bounce, go back up here to like 406, 407, and then really start tanking. But, again, still kind of bullish. I don't know. We'll see how everything moves, but it's still kind of bullish. Is the SPX going to close bullish? Yeah. We actually just closed the hour bull here, so we'll see how that works. Let's see.
no, mientras.
Microsoft, Tesla. You're probably gonna stop right here. I mean, if anybody wants to offload on Tesla before the market, before Investor Day, and they think it's crappy, get out now. Get out now. It's time to get out now. If you think Investor Day is gonna be bad, last chance for anybody to sell. This should be starting soon. I don't think I'm gonna go live for Investor Day. I think I'm probably gonna TA on strong. Fucking hell, dude. Actually, how is it? How is it doing? TA on strong. $7. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Can't believe we were invested in this. Look at this huge run and then just wow. Look at that flare. That's ugly, dude. That's like some of the ugliest. Like that's like one of the ugliest charts I think I've ever seen in my entire life. It's so upsetting. Bitcoin keeps trying it. This looks like a very nice double top here. Probably 30 minutes.
Sí, ahorita, pero está mojado. Ven. Déjala, así puede pasar, nomás que no se caiga lo que quiero. No, pues no, mejor que se esperen.
MC. Come on, bro. Why don't you just go lower? Just waiting for MC to drop hard. I hate that it takes so long. Just drop or stay consistent. At least the spy's been dropping super hard from here. Yeah. If anybody wants to short, now's the time. I'd take the short all the way down here, possibly down here. It looks like you're gonna be coming right back down. I would take the short in about 1 minute. It looks like this is gonna play out. So you have your first, I mean, your bare PD going into the close. I don't normally like taking PDs at close, but if you want to hold till tomorrow, this is the time to do it now. Because I mean, I would definitely be more confident shorting SPY than you know than longing it. Look at that. Just anything that gets shot up, just immediately just gets sold off. Yeah, nobody wants to long the market. At least not big money. Like no big money wants to long the market.
¿Cuál? Lana, ¿cuál tulito? Ya. Ay, ready?
What just happened?
Ahorita vengo a Brigitte. Oh, okay. ¿Ya va? Ey. Okay. ¿O va a traer? Ey. Okay. Ahorita vengo. Okay. ¿Quiere que le dé raite? No, me voy caminando. ¿Seguro? Sí, no está lejos, Brigitte.
Klima.
No,
I'm gonna
ahorita.
ban the both of you guys.
No, ni tardo. No, va a estar.
I think the Tesla Investor Day is starting.
¿Otra vez? Veamos.
Cool. So I'm not. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna stay live for this. But look at that, nice little sell off there. Ooh, the dollar's selling off. If this breaks, we can possibly push up super hard. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna stay live for the Tesla Investor thing. Tia on FTX coin. I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. It's been a super boring day. Nothing crazy happened. Thank you to everybody that joined. I'm gonna be doing the same thing tomorrow. I will be going live for the first 2 hours, 3 hours of the day, and then I'll be coming back for Power Hour. But it doesn't really seem like there's anything interesting going on. We're gonna be closing in a minute. Um, yeah, I wouldn't really, I think for the most part, nothing's gonna happen. I think you're just gonna keep trading sideways. Tesla for Investor Day, we'll see what happens, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna watch the Investor Day by myself, and not be live, and then I will probably see you guys tomorrow in the morning at the same time. Peace, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye. Oops.